Google Business Profile is more than just a digital listing. It's a platform that allows businesses to actively engage with customers, build trust, and increase visibility in local searches. In 2025, engagement has become a key factor for success, and knowing how to interact effectively with your audience can make a big difference. In this video, we'll share practical Google Business Profile engagement tips to help your business connect with customers and grow online. The first tip is to actively respond to customer reviews. Whether the feedback is positive or negative, replying shows that you value customer opinions and are committed to providing excellent service. Positive reviews can be acknowledged with gratitude, while negative reviews should be addressed professionally, offering solutions or clarifications. Regular engagement through reviews not only builds trust, but can also improve your search ranking. Another important strategy is to post updates regularly. Google Business Profile allows you to share announcements, promotions, events, or special offers directly on your profile. Posting consistently keeps your audience informed and shows that your business is active. Posts can drive traffic to your website, encourage bookings, or simply keep potential customers engaged with your brand. Use the Q&A section strategically. Answer questions that customers commonly ask, and consider adding your own frequently asked questions to provide clarity up front. This proactive approach helps potential clients get the information they need quickly, reduces friction in the decision-making process, and establishes your expertise. Add high-quality visuals and videos to boost engagement. Customers are naturally drawn to profiles with images of products, services, or team members. Videos showcasing your process, behind-the-scenes content, or client testimonials can further capture attention and increase interaction. Visual content makes your profile more attractive and memorable, encouraging customers to take action. Enabling messaging and booking features is another way to engage directly with your audience. Allowing clients to send messages or schedule appointments through your profile makes it easier for them to interact with you. Quick responses and accessible booking options can lead to more conversions and higher customer satisfaction. Finally, monitor your insights and analytics to track engagement patterns. Google Business Profile provides data on how users interact with your listing, what actions they take, and which content performs best. Use this information to refine your engagement strategies, improve posts, and respond more effectively to customer needs. By following these engagement tips, responding to reviews, posting updates, using Q&A, adding visuals, enabling messaging, and analyzing insights, you can create a more interactive, customer-friendly profile that strengthens relationships and drives business growth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more business tutorials and tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start engaging with your audience on Google Business Profile today and watch your business visibility and customer relationships grow.